Preet Gill.
The King's Fund, Nuffield Trust and the Health Foundation estimate that the annual funding gap for social care will now reach £2.5 billion by 2019-20. This will have a crippling effect on the provision of social care, a sector that is already under severe strain and in desperate need of relief. Yet this budget offered absolutely nothing whatsoever in respect of social care. The condemnation from social care professionals has been as universal as it has damning. Margaret Wilcox, the President of the Association of Directors of Adult Social Services, said, and I quote, "extremely disappointed by the lack of extra funding and that adult social care needs to be tackled as urgently and at least as equally as the needs of the NHS, in a way which recognises the interdependency of these services and encourages a collaborative approach." After the government's calamitous manifesto U-turn on the dementia tax, the country needed strong leadership and appreciation of the seriousness of the situation facing social care. That same manifesto described the social care system as not working and promised to fix it. Yet there was no mention of social care in this budget, let alone any new funds to address the chronic shortfall, another Tory manifesto commitment broken. Nearly 1.2 million older people are estimated to have unmet care needs, up 48% since 2010 and up 18% on last year alone. This budget offers no solutions to address the forecasted 150,000 additional deaths associated with constraints on health and social care. And this is not just an issue of numbers, but of this government's failure to get a grip on the social care crisis. Having worked in the sector, I have seen firsthand the amazing and vital work dedicated staff carry out on a daily basis, and now those staff who are employed by local authorities are going to have to carry on with those jobs, knowing that their hard work, the squeeze on their living standards and years of wage stagnation still does not qualify them for a pay rise. When will this government accept that these people are already going above and beyond and deserve to have their service recognised? Labour committed in our manifesto that as we move towards a new national care service, we would invest £8 billion over the course of the Parliament to stabilise the care sector. It is Labour that recognises that the sector is in crisis. It is Labour that appreciates the hard work of those who work in social care and would treat them with the respect they deserve, and it is Labour who would commit to taking active measures to solve this crisis, not merely offering false platitudes. This budget, like this government, is failing those in the social care sector. Thank you, Mr Deputy Speaker.